I am Kazutaka Oka from the Center for Climate Change Adaptation in EU-Japan. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Today, I would like to introduce A-PLAT and AP-PLAT we are developing at NIES. First, let me introduce the Center for Climate Change Adaptation at NIES. In December 2018, the Climate Change Adaptation Act was enforced in Japan. At the same time, one institute was established. The purpose of our center is to promote adaptation domestically and globally through the activities described here. Among them, one of the main activities is to distribute a variety of information related to adaptation. For this activity, we are developing two types of platforms, A-PLAT and AP-PLAT. The A-PLAT is a platform that focuses on Japan, while AP-PLAT focuses on the Asia-Pacific region. Today, I'd like to introduce these two platforms. First, let me introduce A-PLAT. A-PLAT is an information hub to support local government, business sector, citizens, and other actors in adaptation. A-PLAT was launched in 2016 and has 5 years history of development now. Let me introduce some of the main functions in A-PLAT. One of the important functions of A-PLAT is to provide scientific information on climate observations, climate projections, and impact assessment. A-PLAT can distribute this information via WebGIS system. Furthermore, by considering the user's need, we try to improve the way data are presented. For example, graphs describing the impact amount with temperature on the horizontal axis were added for TCFD scenario analysis. We also provide useful information for different stakeholders. For example, for local government, we provide information on how to develop revised local climate change adaptation plans or existing activities on adaptation by local government. We also provide information and tools for local government to use for dissemination and enlightenment purposes. For the private sector, we provide information and materials that can be used as a reference when working on climate change adaptation. Furthermore, existing activities by the private sector, such as climate risk management, adaptation business, and TCFD are introduced. As we can see, A-PLAT targets a wide range of stakeholders, which we believe will be useful for countries in the Asia-Pacific region to know what information they need to provide as they develop their own adaptation platforms for their potential users. Now, let me introduce AP-PLAT. AP-PLAT is an information hub that assists developing countries in the Asia-Pacific region in developing and implementing adaptation plans based on scientific knowledge. AP-PLAT was formally launched in June 2019. We are developing AP-PLAT with the cooperation of various organizations. Let me introduce some of the main functions in AP-PLAT. One of the important functions of AP-PLAT is to provide scientific information on climate projection and impact assessment. AP-PLAT provides this information via WebGIS system. Now we are going to launch the CMIP6 viewer that enables the display, downloading of the related CMIP6 data at the administrative division. We believe this scientific information can be useful for countries in the Asia-Pacific region. AP-PLAT shares adaptation plans for Asia-Pacific countries laid out using input from NDC. AP-PLAT summarizes the key sectors requiring adaptation indicated in NDC. Financial mechanism for adaptation is a very important tool to implement adaptation. Therefore, financial mechanisms such as GCF, GEF, and CTCN are introduced. Disclosing systems such as CDP, TCFD, or SDGs are also introduced in AP-PLAT, as these can be a trigger to implement adaptation. Through A-PLAT and AP-PLAT, we hope to contribute to the promotion of adaptation actions domestically and globally. Thank you very much for your attention.